Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today everybody, we're going over Manwich, old school everybody. This is the original can. They also have another one that has like a little bit of bell peppers in them, but that's okay. We're just using the original. This is the old school way. You just get you some ground beef, chop you some onions up, saute it together, and you add the Manwich sauce, and that is simply it. This is a wonderful food that we can have and share for the holidays, for the summertime actually, excuse me. And it's so hot. So this is something nice and quick and nice and hearty and healthy. So you can make you some sloppy joes, is what some people call it, but we call it Manwich, everybody. We're not being sponsored by Manwich, but you know what, Manwich? Hit us up in the DMs. Anyway, we went on to use some brioche hot dog buns, okay? This is how we did. We stuffed the meat in there. We added some cheese, assorted types of cheese, and then we went on and melted it to perfection, everybody, and added a few little nice crunchy corn chips, everybody. Anyway, make sure you guys follow some more.